Welcome to Webshop Manager's video tutorial on using and installing the Solr search tool. By the end of this video, you'll be able to successfully install Webshop Manager's Solr search tool and improve your customer's product searching experience. Let's get started. Using the Solr search tool improves your customer's searching experience by allowing them to put in partial product IDs into your website search bar and display all products with a similar product ID. This comes in handy if your customers do not have a complete product ID or types in a partial ID. Currently, your search engine is only designed to look up exact product numbers. For example, if I have a product ID of ABC, TAC 123, then I can only use that product ID to bring up that product. But if I use the Solr search tool, I can type in any variation of that product ID. Example of this would be ABC123 or ABC space 123. Before getting started, make sure you have received the Solr search tool from Webshop Manager. The current version of the Solr search tool is version 8.41. If you do not have the Excel file, please contact Webshop Manager to receive the Solr search tool. First, you're going to go to the back end of your Webshop Manager account and hover your mouse over the Data tab, and then click on CSV Profiles. Next, you're going to type in Solr in the search box at the top right-hand corner of your screen, and then you're going to click on Search. Please note that Solr is spelled S-O-L-R. You're going to locate the WSM Solr Search Export Only profile and export it. Please keep in mind that you will not open this file. Make sure you save your export to a location that you can find easily. Most browsers will default to your Downloads folder. Next, you will locate the WSM Copy Only Solr Search Text Import Only profile and copy it. Once you have downloaded and exported your file and copied the import profile, you want to open the Solr Search Tool Excel file. When open, it will ask you if you want to reset the template. Go ahead and click on Yes. What will happen is the search tool will prompt you to load a file. This is where you need to select and load your export profile. Keep in mind that sometimes your file may have been downloaded into the Downloads folder. Once you have found it and clicked Open, another prompt will appear, asking you if you want to use the stock ID, dealer ID, or both. Webshop Manager has tailored this tool to be used for most sites, so when choosing which option to choose, follow these guidelines. First, type S if you and your customers use a term seen in the stock ID. Second, type D if you and your customers use the term seen in the dealer ID. And 3, if you are unsure, type B just to play it safe. For demonstration purposes only, I will select B to play it safe. After clicking OK, the next prompt to appear will ask you if you want to remove any pre-existing keywords added by this tool in the past. This means it will remove any keywords the Solr search tool has added before. It will not remove any manually added keywords. If this is your first time running the tool, it will not affect anything. But if this is your second or third time using this tool, you may wish to select the No option so that none of your keywords are removed. Once you have selected the appropriate response, another prompt will appear informing you of the number of data rows in your file and that Excel may stop while processing your information. Once you click OK, the tool will start processing. Your file may take up to 5 minutes or more to do so. Once it has finished processing all of your products, one last prompt will appear informing you that the processing is complete. You can go ahead and click OK. You will see that under the Meta Keywords column, that all variations of your stock ID and dealer ID have populated. If you wish to use different keywords for some of your products, make sure that you place it before the HTML tag. This rule applies before and after importing the new keywords. The HTML tag will look like this. It will have a greater than sign and a less than sign with an exclamation point plus WSM flanked by 2 dashes on either side. And anytime you run the Solr search tool again and select the Yes option, it will erase all the keywords after the HTML tag, including the HTML tag itself. Now, I'm going to save my file as a CSV file. To do that, I'm going to go to File, Save As, place it in a folder where I can easily locate, go down to Save As Type, and click on CSV, delimited. Make sure you select this file, not the CSV Macintosh or CSV MS-DOS. Once I click Save, a new screen will appear. Don't worry about this, just click OK to continue. Now, go to the back end of your Web Chat Manager account. Once you're on the back end of your Web Chat Manager account, you're going to type in Solr again in the search box at the upper right-hand corner of your screen, and then click on Search. Next, you will locate the copy you made of the import profile and click on the import icon, which looks like a piece of paper with an arrow pointing up. Here is where you will select the Solr file you saved previously, and then click on the Open button. You will leave both Force Updates and Append New unchecked and click on the blue Run Import button on the right-hand side of your screen. Depending on the size file, this may run 10 minutes or more. If any errors occur while importing your file, please be sure to take a screenshot of the error and send it to Web Chat Manager. When completed, you'll be taken back to the Import Profile screen with the green box at the top. If everything is green, you have loaded your keyword successfully to your website. If any errors appear in red or you do not see a green box with the import report, please record the errors and notify Web Chat Manager support. To verify that your keywords have loaded successfully, you can edit any product on your Web Chat Manager account and scroll down to where it says Meta Keywords. If you see the HTML tag and a series of numbers after, it has been loaded successfully. Keep in mind that it may take up to 24 hours for your keywords to populate in the search bar on the front end of your website. After 24 hours have passed and no keywords are populating on your website, please contact Web Chat Manager for assistance. And that concludes Web Chat Manager's video tutorial on using the Solr search tool. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Web Chat Manager for assistance. Thank you for watching.